Because from now on, we got to pull alongside and see if there's a baby in the car. Right?
No, Central Alarm 52.
He's got a flat tire. We are terminating. Did I even get him at all? Out the cemetery gate with the busted front wheel, dragging sparks bobs behind, he's itching for a thrill. Flat tire, rolling car, lipping like a ghost, baby in the backseat, this ain't the time to boast. Wrong way, Bob, on the freeway spin, terminate pursuit, but he trails him again. Stick talk, pit talk, none of it lands. Pat's clapping while the county takes it out of his hands. Slow-mo chase, 15 on the dash. Bob's trying to flex, but he's late to the crash. Pat's on the mic like a hype man. Bro, did I get him? Nah, bro, not even close. There's a baby in the car, but still they pit it hard. Reckless like a show. Public safety, no. Wrong way, Bob, with the lights on full. Spinning weak maneuvers, trying to look in control. County block lanes while Bob missed clean. Sheriff turned YouTuber chasing dopamine. No plan, no pause, all broadcast live. A one-star show with the 5-star dive. This is commitment, they cheer on the wreck. Meanwhile, there's a child in the rear seat deck. Pit with the kid, that's policy. Sheriff stunting like it's all TV. Pat narrates while Bob swerves fate. Public gets played when the stakes escalate. Wrong way, Bob, where's the command? You almost got him hurt.
Yeah, it would have been nice if we had video of Don's kid over there on the freeway, but better for us to go to Corolla.
Bragging like success.
Yeah, I think that worked out. I think that worked out better.
Get the guy off.
Except for the
Had to be done.
he slid to the right. Just at the
You
end.
could tell he's a little to the right, right?
Yep.
You see Donnie's
He was anticipating.
That's
Like when we were trying to get up next to him, he kept moving over and dodged the stop steps.
This is why, in retrospect, if you knew he was going to go on the freeway the wrong way, you would have just curbed him early. Not even hit up his curb, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know what his thinking is. Obviously, a eluded officer is run in the cemetery, ran over gravestones, drove through the fence. You can't believe a person does that with a baby.
Unbelievable.
I mean, that's not evil in the sense of the evil that we run into, but that is a form of evil.
It really is.
Taking your baby in the car with you and running to the police. And then I saw him sitting in the car there. He just looked like he didn't give a FUC.